Welcome everybody to this edition of Attention Talk Video. I'm your host, ADHD and Attention Coach Jeff Copper, and this is the third part of a three-part series about ADHD solutions and some basic truths that you really need to know. We've talked about how often tips, tricks, and strategies ask you to use self-regulation to overcome self-regulation. We've also talked about how society bullies you to do it their way. The third part I want to talk about is how everybody says they preach how you should be different. You should stand out and be different, but the second that they are, they beat you back in line. Goes back to what we've already talked about. It's convenient for society to bully you to do it their way. They like you to be an individualist until it's inconvenient for you. The one thing that I know is that, and I'll see if I can add it to this video, is a little image that I have. I stumbled on it in the internet one time. It's 5 stick images, all black. The middle one was blue, and the question is that blue special or is it different? If you notice, it's the exact same picture. The question is really how do you look at it? For people with ADHD, I find that many of them want to be special, but when they look at that picture, they feel like they don't really want to be different, and they're always trying to comply. Easy for me to say, difficult to execute, but my prescription to you, or what I've learned over the years, is the more you can understand who you are and advocate for yourself, the easier time that you're going to have in that. That's really simple in general. If you've got people around you, particularly loved ones who don't believe in ADHD, or just bully you to do some things different, it's simple advice that I'm giving you. It's really difficult to execute, but at the end of the day, don't lose sight of be who you are, and realize is that be different, be who you are. Even though they say that, they turn around and their body language is something different. This is the end of a 3-part series. I hope I haven't created a stir, but I really just wanted to, I basically say what most people don't say so that you can identify with it and say, this is actually pretty hard. And then when you think about it, you're actually doing really pretty well against the odds, and have faith. With that, subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscription button. Please comment. You like this? You don't like this? Was it helpful? It will really help me develop, useful content, hopefully in the future. With that, we hope you've enjoyed this edition of Attention Talk Video. Take care.